Alright. Hello to all my YouTube subscribers and YouTube in general. This is Chris from RC Plane Crash Test Dummies, and I'm just here to tell you that I did a test on my audio Doppler program. Well, not mine. It's a program I downloaded from a site, a German site. And what it does is it takes an audio file, like you take a camera, put it out in the field, you fly your plane as close as possible over the recording device, take the audio file, put it in WAV format, and load it into this program. It's really simple, a real simple program. It's real straightforward, and you can then find out the speed of your plane just off of the audio. So I took my Delta Wing out and tested that, and I didn't know what kind of audio I'd get with my overpowered PT40 with an Enya 60 engine. I didn't know, how clear the audio would be on that versus the electric motor on the Delta Wing, but came to be that the Delta Wing had better audio clarity, I guess, whereas with the PT40, the nitro engine, I don't know, maybe the wind from the prop, was adding excess noise. I don't know, but it just wasn't as clean of an audio clip. But it's kind of funny. I mean, there's not a whole lot to see in the video, except at the very beginning. It's kind of funny. And you can see a few passes how fast that Delta Wing is over the camera, but you can definitely hear the speed. And I calculated with the audio Doppler 110 miles an hour, and it says plus or minus 6 miles an hour. So anyway, let's just go to the video. All right. Alright everyone, this is Chris from RC Plane Crash Test Dummies, and I'm going to run an audio test on the Delta Wing for the audio Doppler and be able to get the speed that it's running at downwind. Hopefully get some maximum speed out of it. The last time I checked it said 100 miles an hour, but that was with crappy audio. I just want to get some better audio today. Alright, so here we are in Hartford, Wisconsin, and I'm about to toss this Delta Wing. Now I do notice that the wind is coming from my left side, which I don't like because on that side of the field there are very tall, large trees. I would prefer to toss it in the direction I'm facing just because there's less obstacles. Now, there is nothing I did different from my last flight to the plane, so why it did what it did, I'm not sure, other than the fact that I did not toss it into the wind. So against my better judgment, I do throw it forward. And... oh! God, I love that reaction. It just did one big loop. And here I am just trying to figure out what the hell went wrong. What did I do? I didn't change anything in the radio. I didn't change anything in the plane. The only thing I can come up with was, the wind did not cooperate. The only thing that happened was the ECS unplugged from the motor. So we're going to toss it up and go again. Fortunately, the wind cooperated a bit, and there it goes. Look at me though. I am so tense and nervous because of that first toss. I didn't know what I was going to do. My shoulders are up to my ears. I'm just kind of completely stiff. Look at me. And oh God, please don't crash.
But then I realize, okay, it's up in the air. It's going to stay in the air. I get a little more comfortable. Shoulders come down, relax a little bit, and I start moving around. And we get ready for our first pass. And then slow motion, or half speed. Actually, that was probably like the third pass. The other two passes, very high, didn't get good audio. And you notice I do a whole lot of walking around. I get a lot of cardio going on when I'm flying. I don't know why I do that. I didn't like that one. Try another pass here. I think the only reason I do that is because I am in a big open area versus a flying field, which is narrow, and you pretty much, stay behind a barrier. So I'm kind of free to roam here. And here we go with another clean audio pass. And in slow motion. That thing is very fast, and when I throw the throttle up, it tends to want to go up. I don't know if that's because of the airfoil I got in there or what, but I had to force it to come down towards the camera on high speed passes. And that is a 1-inch thick foam board, for insulation that I hand carved and sanded an airfoil into. I don't know how good that airfoil is, but I mean, the thing flies, so it obviously can't be that bad. On the lander. Right over here. Too far. I hope I got something decent. Do I love the glide on that thing. And here's the my PT40. Just a short audio clip of that with the NU60 engine.